trying more beautiful desserts in LA. This looks familiar. None of these have names, so let's just try it. Ooh, so look at this big raspberry one. You guys guess what this is? Oh my gosh, this one is so good. Okay, this one caught my attention because it has this little butterfly, but I don't know if it's edible. This one is called strawberry lemonade. We have this beautiful peach one. Wow. Next we have this beautiful mango. Up next we have this new jumbo strawberry. Yum! This one looks so elegant. It's called the Pecan Royal. This one is called Lemon County. 10 out of 10.